Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about reduction variable. So I will put about u equals to y minus s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have the u over the s equals to dy over the s minus 1. So because we don't have negative number 1 in here, so we put negative number 1 go to the left. So this one we change by u. This one dy over the s we change by this one. So I will put number 1 go to the right. So we need to change the sign of this one. That's about negative open parenthesis 1. 1 minus sine u square. And we know that 1 minus sine u square we change cosine u square. This is about trigonometric identity. Cosine u square we put on the left, the s we put on the right. Now we put the integration for the both sides. This one we change secant of u square du. The integration of this one we have tan u. The integration of the s you got about s and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.